On a cold January day in Texas, several animal control officers responded to a report of a stray dog in South San Antonio. After safely securing the dog, the officers scanned the surrounding area before preparing to leave. That's when they spotted a couple of clumps of fur lying across a concrete slab. Two weak puppies looked up at them. "They were just lying there prone," said Lisa Norwood, public relations manager at SAACS. "They weren't moving." Concerned, the officers carefully approached the puppies, only to notice 4 more tiny heads emerging from beneath the concrete. "You would assume that, maybe the puppies would react in some way, get scared," Norwood said. "No, they just watched as the officers were coming up." An entire litter of puppies had taken refuge in a makeshift den beneath the concrete near a drainage spillway. Curled among debris and trash, they stayed close together. An officer reached into the darkness to gently pull the puppies out, trying to keep them from crawling deeper inside. Soon, it became clear the officers had no idea how many puppies were hidden in the den. In total, officers rescued 11 puppies that day. "When they pulled them out, they were in relatively poor condition," said Norwood. "They had pale gums, they were dehydrated, just fleas everywhere." With no mother in sight, officers rushed all 11 puppies along with the stray dog they had secured earlier to SAACS, where a veterinarian examined and treated each one for parasites. "We have no idea how long these guys had been out there," Norwood said. "We estimated they were about 2 months old." Because of their fragile condition, SAACS contacted a partner shelter organization, San Antonio Pets Alive, or SAPA, for assistance. The shelter quickly agreed to take the puppies in. Over the past few weeks, shelter staff and a veterinary team have closely monitored the puppies' progress. Several tested positive for an intestinal parasite, but are fighting hard to recover so they can meet potential adopters. 4 are already in safe, warm foster homes where they are learning what it means to be loved. They are very sweet, have a lot of puppy love to give. These tiny survivors are happily developing their own unique personalities and cuddling together. Shelter staff said one puppy in particular, Lando, simply does whatever he wants. He's earned it.